Striebig presents the new Control, the premium class vertical cutting center. Control models have always defined their own class. They maintain this lead with even greater automation of the cutting process and additional optional equipment. The new Control. More benefits have never been available to you in the world of vertical sawing technology. The future of cutting technology. Touch and saw. The new touchscreen offers maximum operating convenience. All Striebig panel saws have two support options. A secure roller support for large panel formats, plus a split aluminium central support along the full length of the machine for smaller workpieces. DMS. The digital measuring system guarantees correct dimensions, finishing cuts accurate to 1/10 of a millimeter. Both axes of the Control are fitted with the DMS as standard. Also included as basic equipment, an additional longitudinal stop section with 3 auxiliary stops for repeat cuts. The EPS electronic positioning system allows the horizontal and vertical cutting axes to be easily and accurately positioned. Enter the dimensions, and that's it. Externally created cutting lists can easily be transferred to the touchscreen on a Control with a USB memory stick. Our vertical panel saws have fixed cutting points for making vertical cuts. The dimension is always taken over automatically. The saw recognizes the cutting location, and the saw beam locks in place automatically. Move the panel material up to the stop. Start the saw. Move the saw unit into position. Plunge fully automatically at the touch of a button and cut to size with an accuracy of 1/10 of a millimeter. The VSA scoring saw unit. A must for difficult panel materials. It saves time and money and extends the service life of the main saw blade several times over. Characteristic for every Striebig, the finishing cut, with the finished edge free of any tear-outs and ready for gluing. Every Control can, of course, be manually operated too, both vertically as well as horizontally. 4SB makes child's play of lower trimming cuts. The lower edge is automatically trimmed with the 4SB system. The heavy physical work needed to turn the panel round is no longer required. ABO for automatic upper trimming cuts is the ideal complement to the 4SB system. A combination only found on a Striebig Control. Upper trimming cuts are fully automatic. After cutting, the saw unit stops by itself thanks to the automatic panel end recognition facility. A touch of a button will return the control automatically to its starting position. Touch and saw. Enter the dimensions and cut to size. Horizontal strip cuts can be easily repeated with a single touch of the button. The saw unit automatically takes up its position according to the predetermined dimension. A control is already perfectly equipped from the very start. Another example: automatic central support recognition. We attach great importance even to minor details. A small recess in the full width support wall allows repeat vertical cuts to be carried out safely and efficiently. Grooving and routing jobs are easy to carry out on a control. Only one single depth stop is required for adjustable groovers and composite panel cutters. A scalable hand wheel sets the depth stop to infinitely variable dimensions of up to 25 millimeters. Groove widths are variable from 8 to 15 millimeters. Accurately fitting miter joints are easy to cut using the WSG angle cutting unit. Quickly and easily fitted next to a vertical cutting point, it allows miter cuts of 0 to 46 degrees. Touch and saw. All the functions on a control can be operated with a fingertip. Multilingual user interface and error detection make operation child's play. There's no easier way to communicate with your saw. For users who do not need the maximum possible degree of automation, there is also a perfect solution: the Striebig Evolution. The market leader in manually operated vertical panel saws. Striebig Control, the premium class in vertical sawing technology. Expanded into a vertical cutting center with maximum automation of the sawing process and a wealth of useful optional equipment. Manual work is a thing of the past. More operating convenience than ever before. The future of cutting technology. Precision, ergonomics, and functionality in a perfect combination. Striebig, a commitment to perfection.